Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm gonna show you guys my top paying dividend stock. It is a monthly paying dividend stock and it pays me out every single month to where I'm getting paid out more in dividends than I actually made from this company going up in value itself. I'm gonna give you guys what stock that is and how I'm planning on making a lot of money from this in the future. But before we dive into that, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 4 free stocks valued up to $1,600 each. Now, once you get those 4 free stocks, you could keep them in a platform and decide to use it, or you could sell those free stocks and pull your money out. It's literally free money, so don't miss out on this great opportunity. And before we dive into this video, make sure that you guys hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any future video. Right now, 3,700 of you guys have hit the notification bell on this channel. Once we get to 5,000 of you dreamers that hit the notification bell, that is what matters the most, is hitting the notification bell. Once we get to 5,000, I'm gonna do a giveaway on this channel. So make sure that not only that you subscribe, but that you hit the notification bell. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into the video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are on Robinhood. My top paying stock is AGNC. This is my top paying dividend stock. This is a monthly paying dividend stock. That means every single month they are paying me out dividends. It is a real estate REIT, so they usually pay out more dividends than any other industry out there. In fact, to take a look, AGNC, it operates as a real estate investment trust, which is called REITs. The company itself invests in residential mortgages, passes through securities and collateralized mortgages, obligations for which the principals and the interest payments are guaranteed by the government. If we scroll all the way down, according to the Revenue Code of 1986, it will not be subjected to federal corporate income taxes if it distributes at least 90% of its taxable income to its stockholders. That's why they have such a high dividend yield, because they have to give back 90% of their taxable income back to their investors. That's why real estate REITs have such high dividend yields. Right now, looking at Robinhood, AGNC, I have 102 shares worth of AGNC. My market value is at $1,591.20. My average cost is $14.21, and my total return is $142.04. They have a dividend yield of 10.9% according to Robinhood. 10.9%, a double digit real estate REIT stock that pays me out every single month is in the double digits and making me money, and I'm profitable from it. Now, if we look at the year, AGNC took a big dip. I was buying into AGNC around $19, but when it took a dip, I tried to load up on it even more around $9, and it's eventually recovering. Even though it's down 9% on the year, I'm up 9% on the year. So I timed the market well. I bought this company while it was up, and I bought even more of this company while it's down in order for me to have great return on my investments. But the sweet thing that I did about this stock is that I started investing into it super early when I had around a 12% dividend yield. And let me show you guys how much money I made from AGNC in dividends alone. If we scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on history, show more dividends. When I first started on AGNC, my first one was on June 11, 2019, paying me out 16 cents, and I had 1 share. This is when I first got into dividend investing, and I started to reinvest all of my dividends back into this company. So I went from 16 cents to 48 cents, and then eventually I started getting $3, and then I really started to reinvest into this company. I got $10 a month, $10 a month, $11 a month, $12 a month, $13 a month. This was pre-pandemic, and then they cut their dividends just a little bit, and then went back down to $10 a month, 9, 10, 10, 10, 11, 12 on October 9th, and then another $12 on November 10th, 2020. On November 10th, I owned a total of 100 shares, and now I reinvested that right back into this company, which put me at 102 shares total. So with all of my dividends combined from this company, I made $151.02. That put me well above the $142 that I made from this company going up. So I made another 9% worth of dividends from this company Every single month I got paid out at least double digits, $10 or more over the last couple of months. I'm going to continue to receive that check every single month. So next month is going to be $160, then $170, then $180, and then I'm going to continue to reinvest until eventually I have 200 shares of AGNC and I'm making even more money from this company. So let me go ahead and update my portfolio and show you guys, if I continue to reinvest into this company, how much money we can make in the future in order for me to eventually become rich and then someday become wealthy, and I will receive a check every single month by doing absolutely nothing. So let's go ahead and dive into trackyourdividends.com right quick. Here we are, dreamers. This is trackyourdividends.com. This is completely free to use if you want to use it. The link is down in the description. This is one of the sites I use to track my dividends. Right now, AGNC has paid me out from only 95 shares. I will make $155 from it. But let's go ahead and hit edit. And now I own 102 shares, and my average and my cost per share is at $14.21. So we're gonna hit edit. It's gonna change from $155 annual income to, let's see, there you go, $167.28. So that's what I'll probably make from AGNC over the next year if I don't invest any more into this company at all. So we take a look at the dividend calculator. I'm starting off with $1,591, and let's say I invest just, so let's say if I'm using my strategy right now, I invest $200 every single week into the stock market. That's $800 a month. So let's say I invest $800 a month into AGNC. The annualized dividend yield was at 10.9. And let's say they have a growth rate. Let's give it a very, very small growth rate of 0.5%, not even 4%. Let's put 2.25%. Let's say they don't increase their dividends barely at all over the next couple of years. And let's say their share price go up just, let's say the S&P 500, they usually go up 6 to 7% every single year, the S&P 500. So let's put this below the S&P 500 and say that, so let's say that value only go up 5% every single year, if even that. And let's say we reinvest for the next 30 years and hit calculate returns. All right, so there we go. This is us reinvesting all of our dividends, starting off with $1,500 and investing $800 every single month into AGNC. By year 10, we'll be having a $19,000 dividend income with a $198,000 account. By year 20, we really start seeing that snowball effect come in. We'll be making 6 figures in 20 years from investing into AGNC. We'll have $121,000 every single year from dividends, and our stock portfolio will be $1.1 million. And I already know by year 30 it's gonna be something dumb. By year 30, we'll be making $630,000 every single year in dividends alone. And we'll have a $6 million stock portfolio. That is insane. We'll have a $6 million stock portfolio in 30 years from investing into AGNC. If this company, that's just if everything works out perfectly, dividend yield stays the same, I'll go up just a little bit, and they increase their stock value 5% every single year. But let's just say if they don't increase their stock value by 5% every single year, let's just say they only grow by 1%, which is horrible, but they have a high dividend yield. We're gonna hit calculate returns and see how that works out. By year 30, we'll still have a $269,000 dividend yearly income every single year with a $2.5 million account. So there we go, guys. If you stay to the end of this video, make sure that you hit the thumbs up. It really helps out this channel a lot. Let me know, what is your highest paying dividend stock that you have in your portfolio? Is it a monthly dividend stock? Is it a quarterly paying dividend stock? Or even semi-annually or annually paying dividend stock? And let me know down in the comment section. And while you're down there in the comment section, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. And make sure that you hit that notification bell, because when we get to 5,000 of you dreamers that hit the notification bell, we're gonna do a giveaway on this channel. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.